Over this restaurant just dumped a whole bunch of water on people passing through here. It looks like it sort of just builds up over time and then wham, drops. Good morning. It's a very interesting overcast day here in Dubrovnik. I'm surrounded by crowds of people. This is quite the tourist attraction. When we came in yesterday, there were 2 cruise ships, giant mega cruise ships, docked not very far from here, maybe just a couple of kilometers from here. So this is a huge tourist attraction. And the weather's a little bit better today. It's actually not super cold. I had a very good morning. Cooked an omelet in the hostel and did some work online and some video editing. And now I'm going to head out and find myself some lunch. Today is my hamburger splurge day. So I'm going to go try to find the best hamburger in Dubrovnik and enjoy a little bit of the taste from home. I do that once a week. The rest of the time, typically eat local food. So I'm going to go on my quest. Right here behind me is a beautiful building. I'm guessing it's probably a church here. And absolutely gorgeous, a little plaza area. And interestingly enough, I'm staring right at my hostel. So my hostel, I walk out the door of my hostel, and this is what I see right entering on the street. So it's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. Over here, a big clock. And this little alleyway here is where my hostel's located. I am in front of the Burger Tiger, which is rated as the top burger place in Dubrovnik. So I'm going to get a hamburger and see how good it is. Okay, you've got to check this out. The distance between me sitting here in this booth and the table. It's like, I don't know, you could put a person on my lap or 2 people on my lap. This is what the best burger in Dubrovnik looks like. Nice big burger, fries, great display. Very small little soda, but it's pretty good. 75 kuna is about $11.50, $12, maybe $11. My review of Burger Tiger. It's a good burger for a foreign burger. It's certainly not the quality of an American gourmet burger. Not really awesome or great, but it's good. Fries were okay. Drink was extremely small, but it sort of takes the edge off of the desire of having like food from home. So I think I'm good to go for another week. I'm gonna go out and explore a little bit before it starts raining, and then maybe go back and take a nap.
Never too late to admit when you're wrong. Turn a new leaf, see a new dawn. The time to decide has come and gone. Just give me a chance, we can carry on. I made my choice, these drums of your voice, they run through my head as I remember the day. Stay in this moment.
There's a small chapel here behind me. I'm going to go in and see what the interior of a Croatian chapel looks like. Broken out the umbrellas. The rain's starting to sprinkle down a little bit stronger. I think it's time for me to head back to the hostel, and I think I'll take a nap and just relax today. Maybe I'll be able to get back out late afternoon. Raining like crazy outside. I'll let you see. See the river coming down. Rain has been coming down in just buckets, just gushing crazy rainstorm. Just let up probably 5-10 minutes ago. We got a temporary break. So I'm standing outside here. You can still hear the thunder and see the dark clouds are headed that way. I'm going to head back from the main hostel over to where my room is, which is like 2 or 3 little alleyways away. But I think that's all I have for this episode. So it's been, I don't know, it's been a relaxing day. It's a nice day. Tomorrow's supposed to be sunny, so I'm hoping to get out and actually see more of Dubrovnik. That's it for this episode. Remember, savor the moment, pursue your passions, be happy. See you next episode. Room is right here behind me, and downstairs, as I walk down the stairs, leaving is a restaurant. So you have to walk through a restaurant to go out to the plaza.